Hold on. Then I gotta get you both. Alright, you ready? You ready? Yeah, other light. I don't think I can get you the other light. Where you going? Look, we're vacuuming with Killian. Bob! Bob! Fuck in the door!